Hello people, welcome to another episode of Cilantro. Today we're going to check out the Korean street toast, or known as the Korean street sandwich. It is a very simple recipe made out of egg, hams and the goodness of veggies. Since it is healthy, we're going to check it out and we're going to do a little experiment of our own version of it. So let's go. So the simple veggies that is needed for this recipe can be found easily in your fridge. And we got some onions, we got some cabbage, we got some carrots. It is like half a carrot, like very thinly sliced, and some cabbage, like really small quantity, and half an onion that's also like sliced, like thinly sliced. And we got like 2 eggs, ham, and 2 cloves of garlic, a red chili, and like 2 fresh bread. So yeah. So the very first step we gotta do is we're gonna mix the veggies into a bowl. We're gonna add the onions. We're gonna add the cabbage. We're gonna add the carrots to that, and then we're gonna add 2 eggs to it. We're gonna add salt and pepper, and we're gonna mix everything so it forms a nice even mixture. I used a little bit of vegetable oil, and then now I'm sauteing the garlic, which is gonna tamper the oil, infuse all its flavor to it. So the base for the omelette is gonna be garlicky and it's gonna be so good. Now we add the green chilies, the entire omelette. The next step would be a little bit oil so that the pan isn't dry. We're gonna take our beautiful ham. So we move to the step 3, the assembly of the sandwich. Pretty much it's a simple, straightforward process. Now we're gonna coat these bread slices with some mayo and ketchup. Then we're gonna add the omelette, and then the ham, then our minced garlic, and then some cheese. Now add like a whole teaspoon of butter to this. Here we are with our delicious sandwich, and this is the moment of truth we've been waiting for. Let's see how the taste test goes. So that tastes fantastic, guys. You guys have to check this at home. See you guys in another episode. Bye bye.